Do you need to set up a new classroom in Boom? It's simple and quick. Let me show you how.
To add a new class, I'm going to click New Classroom. Choose to create a new class, or you can import from another service. Today, we're going to create a new one. Now you can edit your classroom name. You can decide if the class is frozen or unfrozen. Frozen means students can't change their usernames later, which could come in quite handy. Change your classroom code, or you can change the password if you want. Classes are private by default, so I'm setting mine to view as convenient so students can see the class roster when they log out. This will give me a class URL so students can log in easily. To add students to your classroom, you can choose between add a new student if you're just adding one student, or you can choose add mini students if you would like to copy and paste a whole class list. You can set a class password and click Add Students. If you want a picture password, go to Set Password, pick Picture Password, and update. Students can log in using the Image Password option. And just like that, your new classroom is ready to go, organized, secure, and easy for your students to join.